Your love is all I want. Your love is all I need. Your love is more than life itself, the greatest thing I know. Oh Lord, you are my life, my love, my everything. Jesus, your love is all I want.
Big group. We have JayLow Ent.
Yes.
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 Like who's who? Singers, band. I've got both. Yeah.
Should I introduce everybody for you?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'm gonna start. We have Easy. He's the one of the. I think he's like the rapper, the best rapper.
I'm shy.
No, I'll come to him. We've got Oyoyo. He call him Michael, but he call him Oyoyo. You know, like he is. Yeah. We've got Jeffrey, the baby of the group. We've got Jamal behind you, the bassist. If you don't know, get to know. We've got Sarah, one of our vocalists.
Sarah,
vocalist, get to know. We've got Junior,
the superstar drummer. Sorry, you might know him from previous shows.
We've got Charles. We've got Bookie, so admin. If you don't have admin, you need to have admin in your life, innit? We've got Milko, another vocalist. We've got Johnny, that's our sound tech. And then we've got me.
He's JayLow, we're entertainment.
That's the group, really. That's the group. Yeah.
Alright, well, you guys have a distinctive sound, blatantly. Like, how would you describe your style?
I don't know. We try to venture to different kinds of stuff. We don't try and like say, okay, with this, with that, kind of things. So we can do African, we can do pop, we can do anything you can. Like, yeah, that's what we can do.
All right, and your band.
Yeah, the band. Jeffrey. Great band.
Oh yeah, they're just too much. Like,
nah, man,
just too much.
So you practice a lot?
We practice, yeah, every Tuesday. Sometimes, yeah, we can't meet because we're a big group, as you can see, but we try every Tuesday to practice as much as we can, so, yeah.
Fair play.
Yeah.
How did you get together then? Because there is like quite a lot of you.
That is the story. I'll start from the beginning. Basically, there was a day I was in my room, I produce and make like instrumentals, so there was a day I was in my room, made a tune, and I knew him as a friend from school, like before, and I knew that he was a rapper, so I thought, oh yeah, let me just put him on it. And then I thought, yeah, I've got another friend called Charles, and yeah, he just came on it. And from there it was like, okay, we could actually make something out of it. So we first started off with me, Balfour, Charles and Sarah, and then the group just expanded. Like we did an event called Praise Generation 1. That's where we kind of obviously saw that we are kind of going to be something. So we came, made that bigger, and yeah, kind of, we're all here today, kind of.
Alright then. So from what we've seen today, like, I would definitely, I don't know about anyone else, but I want to hear your music again. Like, how can I get in contact with you guys? How can I...
Email us.
Not personal contact.
Right here.
Admin
right here. The lady in the black jacket.
In the studio.
Well, basically, you can email us if you want to get in contact. JayLowEnt@gmail.com. We've got Facebook page, Twitter. So yeah, just
Are all of them JayLow Ent?
yeah, JayLow Ent.
JayLow Music.
At JayLow Music. At JayLow Music for Twitter.
Okay.
JayLow Ent. JayLow Ent Facebook. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice one.
And you want to tell us a bit about one of your tracks that you did out there?
I think I would leave both of us to talk about that one.
Which one?
You take the pick, you choose.
I reckon the most high, I think.
Oh,
Remember
okay.
where that came about?
Yeah, I remember. Well, I wrote the most high basically. He made the instrumental. I won't lie to you, first time he made it, I thought it was too crazy, I didn't really like it. Really, and then we were at just his house, he said, you came up with the name, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we were trying to think of a chorus. I don't know, I don't remember how we got with the chorus, but we did it. I still didn't like it, but he put it on Facebook, and like he got a good reaction from everyone. I read the most time, and everyone's like, yeah, so then I started feeling it. Wrote my lyrics, I started feeling it more. And then yeah, we just recorded it, performed it. It was just a song. It's like an anthem or something.
Yeah.
I reckon the most
Who you rapping?
I reckon the most high.
Wait, praise in the rate. Wait. You don't do it back here.
So how do you guys tie in with the theme that is today, the ignition?
I think I'll let Sarah.
Well, obviously, because we're a big group, there's a lot of personalities and stuff, and ignition like is setting something alight. Like I think that's what we kind of embody that. Like we set things alight, obviously with the Christ in us. So yeah, I think that's our thing. Get things going, set things alight. Yeah.
All right then. Well, we'll be looking out for you.
Yeah.
You need to look out for them.
Yeah.
Facebook, Twitter, email,
JayLow
Gmail. So yeah, Ruts, JayLow Ent signing out.
Who you rapping?
I reckon the most high.
Who you rapping?
I reckon the most high.
Who you rapping?
I reckon the most high.
Who you rapping?
I don't think so till we close. Something they don't know. They don't know something. Hear you say. I hear you say, go home. I don't think so. I hear you say, go home. Something they don't know. I hear something. Hear you say, go home.
But I remember
God's word very clearly. It was something that my people take me out. When instead of man said, no lucky, no lucky. I got the lucky clothes, that's what the right said. That's the story of most people who might be dead. As for me, I cried till my word died. I try not to like to sing it to the sky. I'm a sad boy, I never wanna say, but I like to go on, what to do. Don't listen to me. Everybody just, on your feet, on your feet, on your feet. Yeah, I hear you say come home. I hear you say come home. Put that high in the air, come on, time to go home. Time to go home. Yeah.